Today we're going to take the time and open up our book, and we're going to add more to it. So once you have logged in and you come to this spot where it shows your book on your bookshelf, you're just going to go ahead and tap on the book and it's going to open. Now at this point, if I had wanted to actually view the book, you can see on the right side that there's a blue arrow pointing to the right. So I'm going to click on that, and this is what the book looks like so far. One nice feature is on the bottom, it puts the date that you actually started the book. Now we're going to go ahead and edit it. So I'm going to press on the blue pencil at the top and choose edit. Now as soon as I push this up, you'll notice that some of those pictures will go away. So at some point, if I decide, okay, I've added some more things, now I want to read my book, I just need to put my finger on a cloud, pull it down, and I can press on read book. So let's go in here, we're going to add some more things. Now at this point, if you decide that you have your smiley face and you really want it to be a different color, go ahead and change it. It's that simple. Here I have it open and I have the editor ready to go. Now on the right side, it says underneath read book, it says full page, and you can notice there's a little paper with a corner turned over, and then it has some squares. If I press on those squares, you can see what pages I have available. If I press it the other way again, it goes back. So just so you kind of know how this works. We're going to keep our English as our book language and keep that the same way. And at the bottom, you might notice a red trash can, looks like a garbage can. Don't click there, because if you delete your book, you won't get your book back. Now let's go ahead and add another page. I'm going to press on the circle that has the plus on the piece of paper with the flipped over edge. And I'm going to choose the one that's in the middle. So you see how I have one at the top, middle, bottom. We're going to call that 1, 2, 3. We're going to go ahead and press the one in the middle. And that will bring open another page. Now you can see that the picture is at the top. I want you to go into the mountains, and this time I want you to press on, let's go to the Easter egg. And I want you to find a picture there that you like. I really like this chick. So I'm going to press on this chick. Now let's notice in the corner here we have squares and then lines. And then you notice across it there's dashed lines. Okay, so this allows us to crop. So I'm going to press on a square and I'm just going to pull it in just a little bit, and see how I can just press on the window and pull it down. So what will happen when I hit save is all the outer edge that is still there will be cut off. That's called crop. So I'm going to press on save. And there we have it. Now, if I didn't like that picture, I could go ahead and press on this X. So I'm going to press the X just to show you how you got rid of it. Now I'm going to add it back. So let's just see if Mrs. Up does the steps right. I can always pull this back out if I want, and press save. Now you might notice there's a talking bubble there. So I'm going to press on that. I'm just going to write the word. I have to press on the little circle that has the blue talking bubble in it, and I'm going to write the word chirp. Now, if you have any autocorrects that show up on the bottom and you know you have it spelled correctly, just choose the first one. I'm going to press the word save. Now I can take this and move this where I want it to go, so I'm not poking it on the actual bird too far. And as soon as I hit, oops, I guess I went too far, just tap off. So I only have one. Sometimes that happens when we're pressing too hard. Keep doing the same thing and press save. So now you can see I have a little talking bubble on it. Now if I want to see this book, I can read the book, and this is what I have so far. Okay, I want you to watch back because the next assignment is going to be posted down below